Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your 2022 love and work forecast for Geminis. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this charms reading is for you. If you know a Gemini, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Friends, I'm super excited to see how your year 2022 will be. These are early readings as you all requested, so make sure to hit subscribe. So let us see, Geminis, what is the theme of the year 2022 for our beautiful Geminis? Okay, almost came out but went back in. We'll also be doing the charms in this reading at the end of the reading, so stick by till then. And let's see what else. Okay, the Two of Wands, the Ace of Wands. Oh my god. So this is a brand new year for you. Something exciting is going to happen for you, Gemini. Is definitely an exciting new start is going to happen. A new dawn is going to happen for you in the year 2022. I also feel some of you could be getting that new contract, that new job you are waiting for, a new breakthrough. I feel this is a new start of your life. Like from last 10 years, Gemini, you have been suffering, but this year you start something new which changes your life. And not just that, the Two of Wands. So definitely, this is a stable year. This is a secure year. This is a year when you can count on things to be stable and secure and not, dangly, things are very strong this year for you, so that's a good thing. And your focus is on passion, changing your life, creating something new, being passionate about what you believe in. I also feel, Gemini, some of you could be going for higher education for PhDs or some sort of other degrees in your life in the year 2022. Some of you could also be giving some exams in this year, and yes, you will be victorious. I feel that. What else? Let's see. Let me just shuffle the cards. They are just coming out in clumps. I want one card. Oh my god, the sun. The sun is absolutely going to shine for you, Gemini. This is a brand new year. I told you this is a year of breakthroughs for you, and fame, success, and happiness is going to come your way. Some of you could also be finding some passion in your marriages, some new relationships. Some of you could also be, going back to love. I see you are going places, Geminis, in the year 2022. The only thing that will be a problem is, you will, right before starting, you taking a risk will be a little tough for you in this year, because you have the Two of Wands, so you're already at a very secure place in this year. So taking another risk would be like, oh my god, should I or shouldn't I? So some of you would still be taking some risk even after you have achieved some sort of a success, Gemini. So well done. Success, fame, breakthroughs, limelight, higher education, partnerships are, and definitely getting passionate about your life, getting the passion, the mojo back in your life. Those things are important. And let us see your love life for Geminis in the year 2022, the first half. All right. I'll shuffle and then I'm going to read the cards, okay? Definitely, this could be the year you will get married. Some of you, Geminis, if you are single, you could be getting married this year. Some of you, if you are already married, you could be spicing up your relationship a little. Let's see what else. Wow, definitely there is a powerful new start in your relationships, Gemini. So get to work. This is a very, very important year for you, Geminis. In fact, it is going to be a very powerful year. We have seen 2020, it was crazy. We have seen 2021, another crazy year. But 2022 will be crazier, and for all of us, and we are in it together. Nothing to worry about, friends. I'll be there guiding you all, helping you all, and we are in it together, so nothing to worry about. So let us see the first half of the year. Gemini's Knight of Cups. A proposal is coming for you in the first half of the year. Your person who was missing you or someone who was in long distance with you, that person is coming towards you. I do see new offers of love from another city or country, or from a person who has a different background than yours, is coming towards you. So messages of love, proposals are coming for you from two people, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and an Aries, Leo, Sag person. Two people will be trying to woo you. Gemini's you. So yes, I also feel that some of you may actually feel confused about a lover in the first half of the year. You will be like, is this a lustful connection or is this love? You are trying to understand which is this. What is this? Is it love? Is it lust? Is it both of it? Is it just one? So you're trying to understand it. And the Temperance, yes, you're trying to balance out your love life in the first half of the year. You're definitely trying to see. You're trying to keep it safe, you're trying to play it safe in the first half of the year, Gemini, because you don't want to take too much risk. Also, you do have choice in love, so if you are single, more choices are coming. And also, um, I see somebody from the past could be messaging you, Geminis, in the first half, but someone new is also coming, so get ready. Let's see the mid of the year. Wow. All right. I feel like at the mid of the year, you could be taking a break from your relationships because Gemini, things have been a lot of passionate, a lot of things have been building up, and in the mid of the year, things will feel a little heavy for you emotionally. You will want to take a break, or you will want to take some time off from your relationships, even if you are married. Eight of Swords, yes, your fears will be heightened in the mid of the year, Gemini. So you may feel like, what will happen? What will go wrong? Sorry to say, but yes, your fears will be high. Even when nothing is wrong, you may feel some certain things are wrong in your relationship. Nine of Swords. Your lover could be dealing with some health issues in the mid of the year, and it will really frighten you, friends. I told you it will be. Crazier year. So yeah, you could be dealing with some stress, anxiety, or your person could be dealing with health issues that will affect your relationships. Also, some of you could be your love life is affected by your family, like someone in the family is opposing the relationship, or you know your partner's family is opposing the relationship. So some opposition is there which is causing stress on the relationships. But remember, you have the Four of Wands. So definitely, friends, you are going to get married. If you are already married, your relationships will remain stable, and they will come out of this also. So let's see the final year end. Wow, definitely a powerful new start is coming for you at the end of the year in your love life. Some of you could be actually getting engaged, getting married. Like the marriage talk happens here, but finally the wedding happens in at the end of the year. Some of you could be getting a gold ring. You could be gifting somebody a gold ring. I also see that Six of Cups, a soulmate is definitely important to you in the last half of the year. You will feel very much in love, you will feel very secure, very safe. And the Ten of Wands, yes, you will be coming out of a lot of pressure, friends. Your love life has been a little, intense in the last half of the year, but you will come out of it, and you will come out very strongly from your challenges in the love life. So it's a great year, Geminis. Yeah, a lot is happening, but you also have the sun. So let us see some advice, then work and career, and then your charms. Solar plexus chakra. Okay, so first things is your love life will be affected, friends, by the insecurities. Some of you will feel a little jealous. Your partner may feel a little jealous of your success or insecure, but at the same time, you will also feel very connected with your partner because of work, because of music, art, compassion. This creativity will really attract you the right people. Seek, yes, some of you are seeking deep answers, deep solutions to your love life. Just breathe. You are attracting your twin flame, friends. Yes, this is the year of twin flame reunions or reunions, reunions or unions for you. So just relax because everything is going as per plan, and yoo-hoo, dreams coming true. Your dreams are definitely coming true, friends. So don't worry. Let's see your work and career now. Gemini, their work and career. Okay, I don't know why they came out in reverse. We are not taking reversals here, so I'll not take it. I'll have to shuffle them again. The Empress, the Three of Wands, the Judgment, the Strength, and the Five of Cups. So, when you start the year, you will be a little disappointed with your work and career and your finances. You are like, things are not going well. You are waiting for an exam to clear up. You are waiting for some job also. I feel like you are disappointed and frustrated with your work, Geminis, when you start the year. But as the year progresses, your work life will become stable. You will get money, you will get the strength and courage that you are looking for. You will also be getting some new projects. So, your work life will become stable and secure. Even your exams, if you are giving an exam, you will realize that you can crack it because you are very strong. Also, because you know how to crack that exam, you will have that idea how to crack it. So, you will be very strong, very powerful. As the year goes by, your power and ideas or connection with your work and career will increase. The Empress, oh yes, you will be starting many things this year. A lot of things will be starting. You will be working or laying the foundation for new things, new projects. Um, I do feel some of you could be, starting a new job or looking for a new job. You will be applying to new places, and yes, chances of success are there. Some of you could be starting your own YouTube channel. Some of you could be starting your own videos, to own teaching lessons or something. You are teaching something somebody, and you will be really good at it, friends. So you will have to believe in yourself. Three of Wands, you will be in this whole year, friends, Gemini, you are working for your future. You are not working for the year only. You are working to invest your money, double your money, invest more, like to earn more money. So you are working with the future in mind. Long term gains, long term investments are important for you in the year 2022. The only thing you need to be careful about is, do not judge yourself, friends. Do not be too hard on yourself, Geminis. I feel you may feel at times like things are not going your way. You may at times feel like things are just going slowly. Like, it's not bad, but it's not like nothing great is also happening. So you will feel like you are being judged, you are being tested. But that's not true. It's only that you are judging yourself, no one else is. So try to be kind on yourself and try to be gentle with yourself. Let us see the advice. I do see fame coming your way, friends. A lot of you will have fame and success. Manifestations, yes. Listen deeply. Yes, friends, absolutely. I do feel you can manifest your wishes. Anything you want, it will come true for you. Listen deeply. Your intuition, your heart is guiding you. Listen to that. And ground, yes. I do feel you may get very excited at times, Gemini, and it would be important to meditate and just relax and not take too much stress. Okay, I think that's a great advice for every one of us. Like, don't take stress, just meditate. Okay, for Gemini here. All right, let's see. You don't have much charms, but you have a lot of initials. Let me see if we can get more charms for you for Gemini. Okay, still very few charms, but let's see what we get. Okay, so this just shifted from 5 to 6. So there might be a shift, like, there, I told you, you're waiting for something to happen. So, like, from 5, you're waiting for things to shift to 6. So, rolling of the dice will happen for you. So, let's see. All right, so the initials, the Om letter, Om is important. The word Om is important. Om could be somebody's name or spirituality. Text, this reminds me of facts. Someone might send you an important message this year, an important message you're waiting for. Text, someone might text you back. X, and X might be important for you in this year. So XFTOM are the initials for you. Number 5 and 6 both are important. Number 4, number 22, number 25, number 55 are important. The wedding bell, yes, important news and messages are coming. The pink hat, be kind to yourself, be gentle on your body. You will be trying to fix a lot of things this year, but also some of you may need some like your family members may need some medical care or something. So try to do it, try to stay alert on that. You will be fixing your career, fixing your life, fixing health also. Pawn, you are feeling very powerful, powerless right now. Like you are a very small player in life. Look at this. You don't have much power, but as the year will progress, you will realize that you also can change life. The car, some of you could be buying a car this year. Some of you could be actually, you know, buying something expensive. This is a sign of luxury. Travel is also important. This instrument. This is about news coming in. Yes, important news. This is also about people talking about you, fame. Secret love, yes, a secret lover is coming for you. The light, the lantern, something that's unclear to you that will light up. Confusions will clear and light up your life. Or the suns, you will be a light of other people's life. Dragonfly, you are changing, you are shifting. A cowboy, a very hippie kind of a person is coming in your life, friends. Or love and joy, carefreeness is coming. And the blue car is about learning, you learning new things. Lover, yes, I do see a new lover is coming, or somebody from the past is coming. Mars, you're very passionate about your goals and you're also extremely lucky. So the message is very clear: lover, passion, and luck is coming. Style, some of you could be changing your style this year and you'll be very happy, like you are looking more beautiful. Inspiration, you will be an inspiration to many people this year, friends. Yes, Geminis, a very, very happy 2022. And make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.